In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add backgrounds to PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever wanted to enhance your documents with a personalized touch or need a well-branded document for professional purposes, adding a background can make all the difference. Let's dive into it. First things first, we'll begin by launching the Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once you've got that open, direct your attention to the File menu in the top left corner. Click on File, then head over to Open. This will allow you to select the PDF document you wish to edit. Make sure you've chosen the right file and have it open on your screen. Next up, you're going to need to navigate to the Edit PDF tool. Look upwards to the top of the window and find the Tools tab. Give that a click and you'll see an option to Edit PDF. When you select this, a new toolbar will graciously appear across the top of your screen, granting you access to various editing features. Now let's focus on choosing background. On the secondary toolbar, there's a possibility you might need to click More to uncover the hidden features. Once revealed, select Background and then Add. Doing so will open up the Add Background dialog box, welcoming you with a myriad of options to enhance your document. This brings us to an exciting part, selecting your background type. You've got choices here, so decide whether you'd like a splash of solid color, a striking image, or even another PDF page to be your background. If a solid color catches your interest, choose the color option and then click the color box to select your desired hue. Prefer an engaging image instead? No problem, just select from File and pick your favorite image file format, be it JPG, PNG, and so on. Lastly, if another PDF page fits your envisioned design, choose From PDF and browse to select the perfect page to serve this purpose. After choosing your background, it's time to customize its settings to fit seamlessly into your document. You can rotate the background by adjusting the rotation angle, for instance, 90 degree or even 180 degree. Managing the transparency or opacity will also be key. A range between 30% and 50% usually provides the most appealing subtlety. You can tweak the scale to change how large or small this background appears, align it as you wish, be it center, left, or right. Use the preview box to ensure it all looks just right before you proceed any further. When you're pleased with how everything looks, you'll want to pick the appropriate page range for your new background. Click on page range options if you're not applying it to the entire document. You might choose individual pages or opt for the even or odd numbered pages. Tailor this to what best fits your needs. Finally, with everything set, it's time to apply the changes. Hit that OK button, then save your updated PDF. You'll want to go to File and select Save As to ensure all those changes are safely kept. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy Adobe Acrobat tutorials.